A Pakistani expert has said the American hegemony is the root cause of immigration problems, which has led to many human rights crises. Mir Muhammad Ali Khan, a former investment banker at Wall Street, said the immigration problems are related to long-term hegemony of the United States in Latin America and other regions of the world.
America causes wars, creates displacement, creates immigration crisis that is directly led to human rights crisis. And then they tell us that we are not treating these refugees right. This hypocrisy is not digested.
The expert said that many human rights crises, including the human trafficking tragedy in Texas which left at least 50 migrants dead this year, show the problem of U.S. immigration policy.
I know about children 2-month-old, 3-month-old being separated from their mothers, especially the Latin American, who walked from Ecuador and Peru and all the way to Mexico and then crossed the border. There are so many deaths that are underreported of starvation, getting eaten up by animals, getting shot by border guards.